It's the 7th of September 2022. We have Laivurinkatu Sheppardegatan 35 stycken here. In Punavuori, Rödbergen, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa, Nyland, Finland. We have just filmed the stakes A, B and D. And we'll also go to stakes A soon. That one was the last one to be filmed here, and the capacity is 3 persons to 4 grams. Now firstly, I'd just like to show you these old pictures. Let's go 1928, and then that one is from 1966, and from 2012, from the same place. So instead of those old buildings that were here before, they built this in 1961. Yes, a lot of other projects from back then, when they torn down a lot of these old wooden buildings, but they were not very efficient. This was launched in 1999 with Kone M fixtures. December 8, 9685. It will be expected in the next year, 2023. Before the late 2000s, this must have had the connection alarm with Kone M button. Probably.
Yeah.
And has the sign in Swedish finish inside. The interiors were refurbished in 1999, of course.
Yeah.
And there are 8 floors here. We can try to do a second silent ride. And also each of these have a universal light. Well, one could have been green here.
Yeah.
Anybody down? No.
Expected by device maintained by Kone.
There was a time during the late 1990s when they were quite hysterical about the doors in Finland.
Yeah.
But this didn't receive it. But since this didn't receive that, my guess is that this was most in the beginning of 1990. That's it, thank you.
That's